because I'm going at 12 o'clock. But I have the notes ready. So, whichever teacher, just.
So, welcome to DIS News, children. Here is the first international news. The winner of the first annual Earthshot Prize were announced in London. England Prince William, Duke of Cambridge, is the founder of the award. His aim is to inspire new ideas and technologies for helping the environment and fighting climate change. We need everyone from all parts of society to raise their ambition and unite in inspiring and repairing our planet, William says.
About the natural world and our place within it.
We can hear it now.
You know, I've been lucky enough to see more of the wonders of nature than I could ever have dreamt of doing. I've seen the greatest migrations, travelled alongside the largest animals that ever lived, encountered our closest relatives, and been dazzled by the beauty of nature. And I've tried to share much of these experiences with audiences around the world. But now, our planet is a lot less wild than it was when I began my travels.
Here comes another one, children. Lucy, the first mission to the Trojan asteroid, children. Lucy will explore asteroids near Jupiter. These space rocks could reveal how planets were formed. Lucy will fly into a group of asteroids called the Trojan Entourage. These asteroids orbit the Sun with Jupiter. There could be millions of them. Lucy will get close-up view of seven of them. The biggest of these asteroids is about 70 miles across. Uh, are they mountains, valleys, pits, misas? Who knows? I'm sure you are going to be surprised. Hal Weaver says he, the NASA scientist in charge of Lucy's camera. We can hardly wait to see what images will reveal about these fossils from the formation of the solar system.
Well, a NASA rocket blasted off just before dawn this morning, beginning a 12-year quest to explore a group of asteroids orbiting Jupiter. The spacecraft, named Lucy, took off from Cape Canaveral, Florida, on a journey that will span nearly 4 billion miles. Scientists are looking at the asteroids to find clues about the creation of our solar system. NASA is investing nearly $1 billion in that mission.
So, national news, children. Big movement in the business of cricket. Most of them are cricket fans. Here is a big news of cricket, children. So, two corporate giants, RP Sanjeev Goneka Group and CVC Capital Partners, have bid a staggering sum of money, running over USD 1.6 billion to buy two new IPL franchises. On Monday, at a walk-in bidding event in Dubai, RPSG paid INR 7,090 crores USD 940 million approx to buy the Lucknow franchisee, while CVC, a private equity fund, bought the Ahmedabad franchisee for INR 5,625 crores USD 750 million approx.
Ahmedabad and Lucknow will be the two new teams added to the IPL. This will make it a 10-team competition, but the numbers that the new owners have shelled out for the new franchisees are boggling. The RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, owned by Sanjeev Goenka, who previously owned the Pune Super Giants in the IPL, will take the Lucknow franchise with a jaw-dropping bid of 7,000 crore plus rupees. CVC Ventures was the second highest bidder that bid 5,600 crore rupees for the Ahmedabad franchise. The CVC venture is an American private equity house which has stakes in Formula One teams. The global private equity firm has recently shelled out a huge amount, a little over 14.3% in the Six Nations rugby tournament.
So here is the National Award Film Awards winners, children. The 67th National Awards are being presented at New Delhi Vignan Bhavan. Celebrities graced the ceremony in their traditional outfits. Rajinikanth receives Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Actress Kangana Ranaut was seen decked up in a royal sari. She received the Best Actress Award for her film Manikarnika and Panga. On the other hand, Manoj Bajpayee got the Best Actor award for his film Bhonsle, and Dhanush got it for Asura.
The 67th National Film Awards ceremony took place in New Delhi today for films from the year 2019 to now. Along with Rajinikanth being honoured with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, several other actors received national awards. Actor Kangana Ranaut was awarded the Best Actor Award for her role in Manikarnika and Panga. Manikarnika was a film that traced the life of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Her other film, Panga, was inspired by the life of the national level kabaddi player. Other big winners at this 67th National Film Awards included Manoj Bajpayee and Dhanush, who both won Best Actor awards for Hindi film Bhosle and Tamil movie Asuran, respectively.
Here is the local news, children. Hyderabad goes green this Diwali. Understanding green crackers, children. So I'll explain you what exactly green crackers are. Green crackers are developed using a chemical formula that makes them less harmful for the environment than the conventional ones. In the green crackers, the usually polluting chemicals such as aluminium, barium, potassium nitrate, and carbon are either cut down to reduce emissions by about 30% or completely removed. These crackers have been developed by CSIR's National Environment Engineering Research Institute.